This year, it feels like the rain has been never ending. And to be honest, I felt like it suited me. Because I had a ton of content from over the Christmas break, but I was struggling to make it work with the creative vision I had in my head. I felt blocked, like someone had taken the saturation right down, and I was just following a set path, day in, day out, black and white. I was stuck in a creative rut, getting videos to 80%, then not being happy with the end result. And I'd start again from scratch. And then the loop continues. Write, edit, colour, scrap, repeat, and the pile of content gets bigger. But it turns out that sometimes you just need a nudge to break the cycle. So we packed up and headed west to see what the real world had in store for us.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the
Day one began with the shedding of the daily burdens, the grind of work and chores, now just carrying the bare essentials with a few key responsibilities. Stay upright, enjoy the experience, and roll onwards to our destination, which turned out to be an unexpected night of entertainment.
Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium.
By day two, the saddle had started to become familiar. We clocked up some serious Ks, finding some hidden gems amongst the mostly lonely landscape.
The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Want your pandemonium.
At the end of day three and some long brutal roads, we were ready for a bit of comfort. Luckily we'd saved the best till last. A nice warm bath while the rain helped us wash the bikes. The final day was short, and if the weather was trying to tell us something, it was that we needed to get home, back to comfort. So we pushed through. After a hard hard slog home, we managed to get back with plenty of time for a beer and a proper clean. For us in the bikes, glad to be home again in our own comfortable bed and sleep with dreams full of newly minted memories and stories. So what I've learned is that sometimes a script is just too predictable. If you want real stories, you've got to get out and experience the pandemonium of the real world and what it can teach you.
Your pandemonium.